Is your Ninja Sizzle looking greasy, smoky, or just not performing like it used to? A proper deep clean can restore performance and extend its life. Let's walk through a full maintenance routine to keep your sizzle in top shape. Step 1. Unplug and let it cool completely. Safety first. Make sure the unit is off, unplugged, and fully cooled before cleaning. Step 2. Remove and soak the grill or griddle plate. Take out the cooking plate and soak it in warm, soapy water for 10 to 15 minutes. This helps loosen any stuck-on residue. Step 3. Clean the splatter lid. The splatter lid is dishwasher safe. You can place it in the dishwasher or wash it by hand with warm soapy water. Step 4. Wipe down the heating element area. Using a damp, soapy cloth, gently wipe around the heating element. Be careful not to damage it. Then, wipe with a clean, damp cloth and dry thoroughly. Step 5. Clean the grease trap and exterior. Empty and wash the grease trap with warm, soapy water. Wipe down the exterior of the unit with a damp cloth. Step 6. Reassemble and store properly. Once all parts are dry, reassemble the unit. Store it in a clean, dry place to keep it ready for your next cook. Regular deep cleaning ensures your Ninja Sizzle continues to perform at its best. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling.